Alright guys, so here's this open ice board, and you'll see exactly what's happening. It turns out that the game does boot and play, but it boots and plays blind. Now I've come across a lot of these Wolf unit boards over the years, and I've never come across a board that plays blind. I've usually come across boards that either don't boot or have graphics problems or what, but this is the first board I've come across ever in all these years that actually plays blind. And I'm almost fairly confident that it's one of these two graphics chips, these PLCC chips. There's U47 and there's U45. I don't really know honestly which one controls what, but I know they have to do with the graphics. So if it plays blind, I'm pretty sure one of these is bad. So let me show you what it's doing. I'll go ahead and turn the test rig on here. And you'll see it gives you a solid blue screen there, and then it tries to boot, and all I get is a black screen. So I believe I can hold the start button and it'll go through the ROM check. You'll hear the test tone again. At some point here you should. Oh, there's a flash of something. Here it comes, I believe. There it is. Now I should be able to coin up. There you can hear it coining up, and I can start a game. There it is. So it plays blind, so I'm pretty sure it's one of these two graphics chips. So I'm going to change out U45 first, because U45 is notorious for blowing up, or a lot of times you can research and see that underneath this cover, it feels okay, but underneath this actual decal here, the chip bubbles and gets hot and it just destroys itself. So I'm fairly confident it's one of these two. So I'm going to change 45 first, because that's one that is known to cause problems. So you saw that it played blind, and it does work though, so I'm going to actually change this out and we'll see what happens. I actually have a few spares here. You can see here this is a spare. I don't know if it'll focus up on me here, but it says U45. I don't know if you can make it out. It says 45. But actually over the years I've come across these boards, a lot of them, and the ones that are beyond repair or have too many problems to worry about or to warrant repair, I just trash the boards and I keep all these chips because they are a rare commodity. So being that they're rare, I go ahead and hold on to them for just such an occasion, because you'll never know when you need one. So it turns out here I might need one, so I'm going to actually go ahead and take out this one and install this one, and we'll see if that works. If not, I'll do the same for U47 and see if that works. Hopefully it's one of the two. So we'll start with U45. Stand by here and I'll get this changed out. Okay, I've got it successfully changed out. You can see here's that one that you can barely read 45 on. I don't know if it'll focus up, probably not, but you can rewind the video here a couple seconds back and you'll see this is the one that was installed there. So I've got the replacement U45 installed. So we'll see if that works first. If not, we'll change out U47. So let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Well, no solid blue screen. That's good. Holy hell, look at that. Fantastic. Bad U45. Damn you. Alright. So that was quick and painless. Alright, I'm happy about that. I've had this board sitting around for a while, and I've been meaning to get it tested. Well, I mean, I had it tested and it didn't work, so I put it on the shelf to test later, and I finally got around to testing it. And I'm glad I have some of these spares to try out. So this is the culprit. Let's make sure it actually... I don't want to speak too soon. Let's make sure it gets through its boot here. And oh, CMOS okay. Well, there we go. I don't think it's on free play. Oh, I got 3 credits on there. That's from pressing it earlier. Look at that. Fantastic.
Tonight's matchup, the Mighty Ducks versus the Bruins.
Well, there you go. Success story. So on to the next repair.